Here's something I do for fun to practice when I'm home and bored. I'm practicing transition between my rifle to my pistol, and I'm also practicing magazine changes while doing it. My guns are empty, I've checked. My pistols, I'm going to start with it like this time, but I'll show you something that I just do with my pistol in a minute. But normally how I do this, it's a random and spontaneous, so I don't know when it's going to come, is I actually sit and watch TV and I wait for a certain character. I wait for him to show his face or to show a certain, I don't know, pick the color blue, and as soon as they show the color blue, then you start. But that's a good way to kind of, you don't know when to expect it. But I'm going to expect these ones because my TV is paused right now. But yeah, pick a character or something, a commercial. As soon as it goes to commercial, then you hurry and do it. Whatever. So, but I'll see if I can't screw it up and look like an idiot. Steve, stop writing your comments. So I'm pretending that I'm shooting. Out. Okay, so that's what I do. I start with the action open on the rifle to indicate that my mag ran out and I can get the full training of hitting the ping pong paddle and releasing the bolt. I'll show you, I do that with my pistol as well, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the slide open on my pistol. That'll help when I change the mag and I go into this. I can practice. My thumb is doing it pretty good out of habit of hitting that even when it's racked forward, but you just holster it with it open. It draws and feels about the same as when it's not, so that's what I do different with my pistol. Always I start with everything on safe, well, except when it's cocked back like that on my pistol, but anyway. That gives it a little bit better training, I guess. See, and then you can get the action to slide on there. But I fumbled that one. Just something fun you can do when you're bored and your wife's not home or whatever. But boom, boom, boom. Oh, I should have gotten away. Bad. But it's fun. Give it a try. For all those that have ARs. Anyways, you get the point. Try it out.